Enough is enough. Bollywood actors like Riya Chakraborty, Sonam Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and Dia Mirza ने दे दिया है क्लियर मैसेज कि अब वो सोशल मीडिया पर मिलने वाले थ्रेट्स को नहीं बर्दाश्त करने वाले। In the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, कई सेलिब्रिटीज ने बार-बार ये कंप्लेंट की है कि उन्हें बहुत ही वल्गर और वायलेंट मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, which are loaded with abuses and threats. Riya Chakraborty, Sonam Kapoor, Dia Mirza and Kalki are amongst the few celebrities who have raised their voices against online abuse and threats of assault being made on women artists from the media and entertainment industry. As Riya Chakraborty has already filed a police complaint, a petition is being shared that calls for strict action against online abuse and threats. Till now, women artists have only been blocking such profiles to protect themselves. But now, enough is the stand being taken after weeks of abuses and threats that rocked the social media. After they were not satisfied by the actions taken by social media platforms, media और entertainment industry के members ने अब कानून और पुलिस का सहारा लिया है, and their position now is very clear. बस अब और नहीं सहेंगे. While Sushant's fans and opportunistic trolls had created a nuisance on social media, repeatedly attacking Bollywood celebrities who they perceived had caused the actor to take the drastic step he did. सिर्फ स्टार किड्स और पावरफुल प्रोड्यूसर्स ही नहीं, Sushant's former girlfriend Riya Chakraborty has now shared just how traumatic it has been for her to cope with threatening and abusive messages. और इसलिए अब रिया ने एक पुलिस कंप्लेंट फाइल किया है. The Mumbai police has now filed a complaint against the accounts from which the obscene messages came and will be pursuing legal action against them. A police official investigating the case has said, on complaint of Riya Chakraborty, an offence is registered at Santa Cruz police station against 2 account holders for sending obscene messages and threatening her. Sources within the police department have also revealed that they have asked the social media platform concerned to share the details of the users so action can be taken against them. इससे पहले रिया ने सोशल मीडिया पर खुद को मिल रहे अब्यूजेस के स्क्रीनशॉट को शेयर करते हुए लिखा था, I was called a gold digger, I kept quiet. I was called a murderer, I kept quiet. I was shamed, I kept quiet. But how does my silence give you the right to tell me that you will get me raped and murdered if I don't commit suicide, Mannu Raut? Do you realize the seriousness of what you have just said? These are crimes, and by law, no one, I repeat, no one should be subjected to this kind of toxicity and harassment. I request Cybercrime Helpline, Cybercrime India, to please take necessary action. Enough is enough. But Riya is not alone. Alia Bhatt and her sister have also been facing continuous attacks from social media users for being star kids, and in Alia's case, because she allegedly made remarks that seemingly mocked the late actor. Alia's sister Shaheen took to social media recently and spoke up against the mental harassment they have been facing and said, a country where rather than being raised on empathy, most people are raised with the explicit permission to hate. You see, it's genius. You abuse her, yet you try to convince her the problem is her, not you. Actors like Sonam Kapoor, Dia Mirza, and other celebrities like Sumit Vyas, Manvi Gagru and Kalki are amongst the many public figures now जिन्होंने एक online petition की link share की है asking for an end to abuse online. Sonam ने एक post में लिखा, Enough is enough. It's time we put an end to targeted abuse and harassment women face online every day. Join me and stand for #IndiaAgainstAbuse. Sign the petition. Petition में साफ-साफ लिखा है that no artist will tolerate any kind of abuse online anymore. The petition reads, Today, content creators, stand-up comedians, storytellers and actors, as well as all women who face their opinions strongly, are constantly targeted with vulgar memes, abusive sexual comments, bullying, name-calling and graphic images. Death and rape threats are the new normal for most women on social media. We need strong deterrence. We need an end to the impunity that exists against online violence and abuse against women. We, the concerned citizens of all genders, demand a safe and equal space for women online. Sign the petition. जहां एक टैलेंटेड एक्टर के अचानक गुजर जाने का गम हर किसी को है, it does not give anyone the right to shame, attack and mentally torture another human being. We hope कि इस पेटिशन से और पुलिस की मदद से कई नेमलेस, फेसलेस ट्रोल्स को अपने हैरेसमेंट का अंजाम भुगतना पड़ेगा।